Alright, hey YouTube, this is Wake Up Now and Resist. I heard in the news that, there's lots of solar flare disruptions in China, like, their phones wouldn't work, and, like, their iPods and stuff wouldn't work. These are solar flares, and solar flares, I'll explain to you, if you don't know what a solar flare is, which I bet you all do. A solar flare is, like, radiation from the sun, and it's caused when, like, the sun erupts heat, and like it affects us on Earth. It could affect us on Earth because our satellite is there, and it could disrupt our satellite, which our phones would stop working. Anything that's hardwired to the satellite would stop working. But yeah, and also I heard this from someone, but there's like a huge Jupiter-sized solar flare that's coming to Earth, and this could be big if it does hit Earth, and we're in serious crap because obviously our government's going to be in underground bunkers, probably just letting us all die. But and also there's penguins that are dead that were washed up on the shores of Alabama and Louisiana. They were mostly baby penguins, but some of them were adults. But scientists say that they most likely suffered from trauma. Isn't that a little familiar? The birds in BB. The scientists say they suffer from fireworks. Yeah, right. And then they say that they most likely got struck by lightning. Yeah, right. Thousands of birds couldn't get struck by lightning. And now they're saying trauma, so the penguins most likely suffer from trauma. There are some theories. The government could have been gassing the birds in BB and the penguins. Or it could have been a huge USO. If you don't know what a USO is, it's underwater, unidentified submerged object. And it's basically a UFO, except it's underwater and it comes out of the water. It could have been a USO, and it could have triggered an electromagnetic pulse, which could have killed the birds, the penguins. And the penguins could have hit the USO. Yeah, but this is Wake Up Now and Resist, and and also if you watch the 7 Signs of the Apocalypse on History Channel, they say that animals will stop dying, and right now there's like a whole bunch of animals dying, like fish and birds, and and also it said the sea would go red, like it did in the River Nile, like in the Bible. But and I think it means that there's going to be lots of death in the ocean and the sea and stuff, and we've been having lots of fish just dying, and this isn't really normal. Like Chesapeake Bay, there's like a million fish. Like, you don't just see millions of fish washing up dead on shore every day, do you? This is really big. But this is Wake Up Now and Resist, and I'll see you later. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. When I was at school today in my World Studies class, I was reading my textbook and I saw an image. It kind of disturbed me. It looked like the Illuminati image. It looks kind of like this right here. I'll show you. Right here. See? That's the French Constitution. The new revolution fought back. See? The angels are pointing at the all-seeing eye. I'm sorry if you can't see this, but yeah, see, there it is right there. Alright, YouTube, well, I'll see you later. This is Wake Up Now and Resist.